Hey guys, I am back. Strawberry watermelon smoothie this morning. So my ingredients: fresh strawberries, just got from Kroger. I'm just gonna do the rest of these red berries and watermelon. And I'm gonna use cranberry juice to loosen the goose, and of course you gotta have that creatine. So let's go ahead and get started. Got the ice in here already. Strawberries already cut. Those guys in there. So this is about 2 cups of strawberries. About 2 cups of strawberry. Okay. Take my watermelon with a clean hand and just put it in there. Put it in there. There we go. All right, got my red berries. There we go. There we go. Let's go ahead and add creatine. Yes, sir. Creatine on top. And last but not least, we're gonna run our cranberry juice. So about 1.5 cups. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's go and get this guy started. Okay. Turn it. Turn it on. Smoothie. All right, all done. Let's go. So we got here. Looks good. Yeah, so this was a really good recipe. So, I'm just trying things out. So let's see the benefits of watermelon and strawberries. Okay, guys, here are the top benefits of watermelon. Of course, the hydration. So it's packed with nutrients and plant compounds. Yeah, there you go. So it boasts of a number of nutrients, including substantial amount of A and C antioxidants. Yes, sir. May have anti-cancer effects, may improve heart health. I need to eat more watermelon. May reduce inflammation and stress. May prevent molecular disintegration. Yeah, all kind of health benefits for what? Yeah, so you just see it here. So I got this from healthline.com. Healthline.com. Yeah. All right, same website, guys. Benefits of strawberries. Some nutrition facts. Very high in water. That's why my smoothie turned into a juice. Fiber, potassium, folate, magnesium. What else we got here? Yeah, just all kind of benefits, man. Especially when you have this stuff naturally, and you make it a point to, so yeah, a lot of benefits, cancer prevention. So yeah, I don't want you guys to read all that stuff, but mega benefits to watermelon and strawberry. I use the creatine for my weight training. Of course, the red berries have really good benefits as well. And then, of course, cranberry juice helps in your kidneys. So, yeah. So, I know my last video I said, hey, I got all this junk from Kroger, but the thing I did say is that you put the good stuff in first. So the first thing I put in my body every day is a smoothie or something to that effect. And what that has been doing is give me a habit of putting healthier things in my body because I love the way it makes me feel now. And I put the other stuff on the back burner every once in a while. It also allows me to save money too, because when I want a cheat day or something to cheat with, it's already here. I don't have to go out and spend money while I'm out to go get it. Just bring it with me, and I eat it when I get ready. So, but you gotta have discipline to do it. But if you know what your goal is to be healthy and eat healthy and be healthy, yeah, put the good stuff in first. So hope you guys like this video. It was something I just thought of, ordering food for program. Like, what came in? I saw just order some more fruit, and that's what I came up with. So it's good. It was really good. It was really, really good. I'll see you guys next video. Much love. Peace.